So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over with search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the view tab. And then you're going to click on show hidden devices. See if that works for you. If not, now you're going to click on your computer name. Now you're going to click on action and then scan for hardware changes. See if that works for you. If not, you're going to click on action again and then click on add legacy hardware. Click on next. Select search for and install the hardware automatically. Click on next. See if that works for you. If not, you're going to click on next. If you see Bluetooth right here, you can then install it. Select Bluetooth. I don't have it on my computer, but imagine this is Bluetooth, and then click on next. And then you want to go through the steps and install it. If that did not work, for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find Bluetooth support service, double click on it. Change the startup tab to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to head over to search again and type in Bluetooth and other devices. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have your Bluetooth device added right here. If you don't, you're going to click on add device and then click on Bluetooth. Then you want to add it. And then once you've added your device, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now you're going to click on other troubleshooters. You're going to scroll down till you find Bluetooth. Click on run. This will come up. Click on this. Wait for this to load. And then once this loads up, you're going to scroll down and then click on yes. Wait for this to load. And now you're going to scroll down. You're going to go through all the steps that will come up right here. Go through all these steps. Once you complete this, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.